Welcome to Albertina Cookery. Today we are going to show you one of the most favourite dishes, especially related to this season, autumn. And we found some wonderful chanterelles called also Galletti, Finferli, Chanterelle in different parts of Italy. And we found these in our garden, and this is an absolutely very simple dish to make. Okay, first of all we are going to cook the onions. The onions have to be very light in taste. So what I'm going to do is to pour a little bit of water in the pan, and we'll leave this just in case we need afterwards. Okay. Then we are going to add a drizzle of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. This is actually quite delicate. This oil is not very strong. So we add the onions, which I chopped very finely. And we let the onions cooking gently, first of all. This, of course, is suitable for vegetarians. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook gently. Once the water has evaporated, I'm going to caramelize the onions for a very short period of time. So for this special dish, these special mushrooms, I thought of preparing fresh tagliatelle. They are very easy to make. Just flour and eggs. Here, as you can see, there is the sheet of dough which I rolled out with a rolling pin, and is very thin indeed. I let it dry for a bit, and then now I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to sprinkle a tiny little bit of flour. Okay, so I'm going to fold it. Start the other side too. And there they are. Okay. Okay, actually, let's put a little bit more flour here. We don't want to get stuck together. Okay, so with a sharp knife, you just cut it. And of course, the size depends on what you want to make. You can make maltagliati, you can make tagliatelle, you can make taglioline, fettuccine, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, there they are. And just to show you a few. Okay. Okay, after 10 minutes or so, as you can see, the water has evaporated and the onions are changing their colour. They are going to become a little bit golden in colour, so the temperature is not too high. Okay, at this point I'm quite happy with the onions as they are, so I'm going to start adding the chanterelles. What I have to do is just, I don't use any knife, I just pull them apart with my fingers. Okay, I won't put them all at once. Obviously, these mushrooms have been washed and dried a bit, because otherwise there is too much water. I'm sorry you can't smell the aroma that comes from these mushrooms. It's really fantastic. There are, of course, other ways of preparing galletti. You can use chili peppers if you like to. You can use tomato sauce. Some people serve them with polenta, actually. For me, this is the simplest way. You can also cook them with butter and wine. Why not? They're actually very tasty. So at this stage, as you can see, the mushrooms are ready to receive a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to put the lid on. Okay. And they'll start sweating, and I'll cook them for another 10 minutes or so. So as you can see, I've reduced the liquid and they are nice and soft at this stage. After I cook pasta, I will add a little bit of the pasta water into the pan, so to have a smooth sauce. Our water is boiling. We add some salt. And our fresh pasta. Here we are. As you can see, the pasta is coming to the surface, which means it's absolutely ready. Okay, so I'll move the pan over here. And instead of draining the pasta, I'm going to put it directly into the pan. Okay? So like that I can use some of the water. Okay, I think I got them all. I'll keep this pan with me, just in case I need to add more water. Now, I'm going to add extra olive oil. As you can see here, there is quite a lot, so the portions will be substantial, but we like it a lot, so. a little sprinkle of parsley. Of course, it comes from our garden. So, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. There we are. So, until next time, bye-bye. Oops. Hmm.